Insightful. Insightful. Meaning, showing deep understanding or clear thinking about something. That was a really insightful comment. Great! You gave an insightful answer. Articulate. Articulate. Meaning, able to express thoughts and ideas clearly and effectively. She's very articulate when she speaks. You're very articulate for your age. Perspective. Perspective. Meaning, a particular way of thinking about or understanding something, a point of view. Try to see it from my perspective. Thanks for sharing your perspective. Significant. Significant. Meaning, important, meaningful, or noticeable. This is a significant change. That was a significant decision. Relevant. Relevant. Meaning, closely connected to the topic or situation being discussed. Keep your answer relevant. That example is very relevant. Effective. Effective. Meaning, producing the result you want or intend. This method is very effective. He gave an effective solution. Efficient. Efficient. Meaning, working well without wasting time, effort, or energy. This machine is fast and efficient. Try to be more efficient with your time. Complex. Complex. Meaning, difficult to understand because it has many parts or details. This topic is complex. Don't make things too complex. Simple. Simple. Meaning, easy to understand or do. Let's keep things simple. Try to use simple words. Logical. Logical. Meaning, based on clear reasoning and sensible thinking. That sounds logical. You made a logical decision. Reasonable. Reasonable. Meaning, fair, sensible, and acceptable. That's a reasonable price. She made a reasonable request. Practical. Practical. Meaning, useful and suitable for real-life situations. We need a practical solution. He gave practical advice. Flexible. Flexible. Meaning, able to change, adapt, or adjust easily to different situations. Be flexible with your plans. He's flexible and easy to work with. Approach. Approach. Meaning, a method or way of doing something. I like your approach. Try a different approach. Impact. Impact. Meaning, a strong effect or influence on something. Or to strongly affect or influence something. Technology has a huge impact on our lives. Stress can impact your health. Analyze. Analyze. Meaning, to study or examine something carefully in detail. We need to analyze the situation carefully. Let's analyze the problem. Clarify. Clarify. Meaning, to make something easier to understand or more clear. Let me clarify what I meant. Could you clarify your point? Emphasize. Emphasize. Meaning, to give special importance or attention to something. I want to emphasize this point. She emphasized the need for practice. Consider. Consider. Meaning, to think carefully about something before making a decision. Please consider my suggestion. I'll consider your advice. Suggest. Suggest. Meaning, to offer an idea, plan, or advice for someone to consider. I'd appreciate it if you could suggest a solution. Can you suggest a good restaurant?